Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2018 Toyota RAV4. The headlights in the main bulb housing are accessible by simply reaching behind them. Although you may need a pair of pliers to remove some of the more buried bulb assemblies, no tools nor panel removals will otherwise be required. The engine coolant reservoir is in the passenger side of the engine bay. The level markers are easily visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. The engine air filter is in the driver's side of the engine bay. No tools are needed to disengage the housing, allowing you to easily lift the cover and remove the filter. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. For access to the taillights in the main rear housing, the entire housing will need to be removed first. This will require tools and a bit of force, and make for more time-consuming replacements. The wheel well lining will need to be pried back for access to the fog lights. The lining will require a panel puller to pry back and will only offer a cramped reach for the bulb itself. A large panel from underneath the vehicle must be removed to access the petcock. You'll have to use multiple tools while working upside down underneath the vehicle to remove this panel, which is bulky and cumbersome to maneuver. Overall, the 2018 Toyota RAV4 is a moderately easy vehicle to maintain, but prospective owners should still be prepared for a handful of lengthy and complicated procedures.